Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Pulaski County, Illinois, central Massac County, Illinois, central Pope County, Illinois, southeastern Alexander County, Illinois, northwestern Carlisle County, Kentucky, Ballard County, Kentucky, western McCracken County, Kentucky, northern Mississippi County, Missouri, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Mountain City to near Anniston, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include Paducah, Metropolis, Charleston, Hale, La Center, Wickliffe, Mounds, Barlow, Mound City, Wyatt, Anniston, Barkley Regional Airport, West Paducah, Kendall, Joppa, Olmsted, Wilson City, and Blandville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 30 and 38. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 9. Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 9 and 21. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties: Mississippi, Missouri, and the following counties: Illinois, Alexander, Massac, Pope, and Pulaski, and the following counties: in Kentucky,